I'm very proud of the work we've done to get print data secure to market. One of the features that I'm most proud of is the track and trace feature, which essentially gives every document its own DNA, allowing all documents printed on our platform to be traced. Should there be any breach from a client perspective, they can just give us a call. We flag the document, and anybody verifying that particular document gets a notification saying either it's been stolen, or user is deceased, or breach of some kind has happened at the client's site. And once we get that, once it's flagged, the other person can then take appropriate action to make sure that that document doesn't grant some kind of access or compliance or entitlement.